Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to hide your profile on Tinder. To do this it's very easy. You have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that go and click on profile in the bottom right of the screen. After that go and click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen and scroll down until you will find an option called enable discovery, and here you should turn it off like this, and you will not be shown in the Tinder app anymore. And there is another option, but it's a premium option, which is like this incognito option. When you activate this option, you will be only discoverable by the people that you like. But this option, like I told you, it's a premium option. It's not for free, so you should have a premium account to have this option. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.